Hello student, today I will explain you the second part of our chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In the first part we read Bipin Babu met a man in Kali Charan's shop and the man told some intimate facts about Bipin Babu and his Ranchi trip. But Bipin Babu told him that he never went to Ranchi and did not recognize that man. What happened after that we will read in this part. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. Bipin Babu's car was parked in Bertram Street near the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram? When Bipin Babu got into the car, he ordered the driver to drive near the Ganga. Driving up the standard road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. Intruder means the person whom you don't know. Now, Bipin Babu was feeling sorry that he gave so much attention to an unknown person. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it, and he was thinking he never went to Ranchi. Then why he was thinking about it? It was unconvincible that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago, and he was convinced that he can't forget an event of 6 or 7 year old. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's had reeled. Now, reel means he was shocked and confused. Now, Bipin Babu was shocked and confused because he had an excellent memory. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. Now Bipin Babu start thinking, was he losing his mind? Losing his mind means he becoming mad. But how can it possible? He was working in a office daily. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He was doing a responsible job in a big firm. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting and today Bipin Babu attended an important meeting and he spoke half an hour, and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? Now Bipin Babu was thinking, the man know many things about him, but how? He even seemed to know some intimate detail. The bag of books, wife death, brother insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. The man told him many intimate facts about him, like bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. But only mistake that he was doing, it was his Ranchi trip. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. Bipin Babu was thinking that he was not making mistake but telling a lie, which he was telling knowingly. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. In 1958, Bipin Babu was in Kanpur with his friend Haridas Bagchi. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to know there was remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he didn't have his address. Now Bipin Babu want to confirm his presence in Kanpur in 1958. But Haridas was not in India. He went to Japan with his wife some weeks ago and he did not have his address. But where was the need for proof? Now Bipin Babu was thinking he doesn't need for a proof. He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi and that was that, and he know that he never went to Ranchi and it is enough. The river breeze was bracing and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. The breeze was cool and refreshing, but Bipin Babu was feeling very discomfort. Around hesitings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Now Bipin Babu want to confirm, so he rolled up his trousers and look at his right knee. There was the mark of an old inch-long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Bipin Babu saw an old inch-long cut, but he was unable to remember when the injury had occurred. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Bipin Babu tried to recall any such incident in which he got that cut, but he was unable to remember. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Beninath Street. Now Bipin Babu thought to ask Dinesh Mukherjee because the man said he was also with him and Dinesh Babu lived quite near in Beninathan Street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. But now Bipin Babu thought if he confirmed from Dinesh Babu, he think he was going to be mad if it will be true. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh sarcasm could be. And Dinesh Mukherjee was perfect in making jokes and Bipin Babu did not like that. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Now again when Bipin Babu was in his air-conditioned room, he forget that incident. Such a nuisance. Just because they had nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Bipin Babu was thinking people interfere in the matter of others without any reason. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forget all about the man in New Market. And after the dinner, snuggling means sitting comfortably in the bed. Bipin Babu was sitting comfortably in his bed and reading a new thriller. Bipin Babu forget about that man whom he met in New Market. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. Next day, when Bipin Babu working in his office, he noticed previous day incident was occupying more and more space in his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Bipin Babu was thinking that if the man knew so much intimate fact about him, then how can he forget his Ranchi trip? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. Before the lunch, Bipin Babu decided he will call Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. Bipin Babu want to settle the matter on phone because he don't want that Dinesh Mukherjee watch his embarrassment. 235616. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Now Bipin Babu call Dinesh Mukherjee. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recall an incident which took place in 58. Now Bipin Babu asked Dinesh Mukherjee. He just wanted to find out an incident which took place in 58. 58. What incident? Which incident? Dinesh Mukherjee asked. Were you in Kolkata right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. Bipin Babu asked his first question. Were you in Kolkata right through that year? Wait just a minute. 58. Just let me check in my diary. For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. Now Dinesh Mukherjee answered. First he will check his diary, then told. For a minute Bipin Babu was very nervous. He was waiting for the answer of Dinesh Mukherjee, and Dinesh Mukherjee told him, once in February nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then, but you had know about this one, the trip to Ranchi, and second one you know, and that was Ranchi trip. You were there too. Dinesh Mukherjee informed Bipin Babu he was also with him. That's all. But what's all this sleuthing about? Dinesh Mukherjee asked him why he was investigating this. No, I just wanted to. Anything? Thanks. Now, after thanking Dinesh Mukherjee, Bipin Babu kept the receiver down. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming. A chill seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. Now Bipin Babu was very puzzled. His head was spinning. He was feeling that he was going to be mad, and he lost his appetite. He brings sandwiches in his tiffin, but now he was not feeling good.